Anand Bullet Train Station is moving steadily towards completion, marking yet another milestone in India's high-speed rail journey. Let's take a closer look at the progress. The concourse, rail, and platform-level slab casting works are now complete, creating a robust foundation for the station's operations. The structural steel framework for the station's roof is fully installed, and the roof sheeting work is also complete. The facade elevation work is underway. Plumbing, firefighting, and electrical systems are at an advanced stage. 3 escalators have already been installed. With each step forward, Anand Bullet Train Station is gearing up to become a hub of speed, efficiency, and innovation.